Good evening, everyone. I believe everybody was eagerly waiting for today's news on the entrance exam dates, the CBSE exam dates. Our Education Minister went live today at 6 on Twitter, and here's the news that he has to share. He's exclusively spoken about only JEE exam. So, a very good news for the JEE students. This year, the JEE exam is going to be conducted 4 times. Yes, 4 times. You have the examination in the month of Feb, March, April and May. 4 times. The dates for Feb is out. It's going to be between 23rd to 26th of Feb. So you have an option. You can either give it any one of the month that you want to. Just in case your board exam is clashing with the JEE exam, you can choose any one of the month and give the examination. You can give more than once. You can give all 4 times. It's not necessary, but if you want to give all 4 times, you can do that as well. So every examination you can improvise on your performance, and in case if you've given all 4 times, whichever exam you have scored the maximum, that will be counted as your final JEE score. So good news, right? 4 attempts is given for the JEE students this year. The second good news for the JEE students is that the examination paper will have 90 questions as usual, but you have to attempt only 75 questions. The remaining 15 questions will be your options. So 75 questions out of 90 questions. In case you want to attempt the other 15 questions, you can do that as well. There will be no negative markings. Another good news, right? There's one more. The JEE paper for the first time is going to be conducted in 13 different languages. It's always been in English, so a very good news for all the regional kids. You can give it in your own mother tongue. 13 different languages. So he's spoken only about the JEE examination. It's understood JEE examination always happens in the month of Jan. So I'm sure all the JEE kids are quite panicked and confused about the examination. The NEET students, there is still hope for us. For the JEE students, it's been a very wonderful news. 4 examination, just 75 questions, 13 different languages. So let's hope even for the NEET students there's going to be some good news. So we'll keep updating you as and when there is some new updates about that. But till then, stay tuned and good luck.